Okay, that is the Natasha Denona eye pencil. And does it have a color, or is it just called, let's see if it says it's what color. It says not tested on animals. We love that. It says it's good for 24 months. It just says E100 black. That's all it says. And again, that retails for $18. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we've got the contour brush, I think it's the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Brush. And this one retails for $30. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Contour side densely packed angled brush applies to target areas. Then the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Contours, let's see, tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. So the contour side densely packed angled brush applies to target areas. Then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Again, that retails for $30. I'm not sure. I know it's not really, yeah, it's really soft. I really don't think that would be a good contour brush. Maybe more of a, I don't know, it's more loose, like a blush brush or something. Contour, I mean, it's so different. Let me find that contour brush. See how dense that is. I mean, there's really no give. But this one, it's really, really super soft. You see, I mean, it's just like my favorite blush brush. This is my favorite blush. It does not, I mean, it's not anything special, but I mean, see how, that's what that reminds me of. Just, yeah, it wouldn't be a good contour brush for me. This one might be for like just little things like for around the nose. Let me try that. I've been experimenting with, because I've never really liked my nose. Yes, I don't really like much about my looks. I have always been my hardest critic, but I've never really liked my nose. I've been experimenting. Yeah, I don't know. It seems awful big for contouring around the nose. It's a bit too big probably for that. I'll go ahead and do the other side since I did that side, but yeah, really, this is not a good contour brush of any kind. Not to me. It's too big on this side. Let me blend that out a little bit here. And I mean, it'd be okay as far as the density on the nose, but it's just too big to do it really. For me, it is anyway. There, that's. I'm not sure. I guess that would make a good eye pencil, but that's probably it. I don't really like it for any of the. Yeah, I don't really like it for any of the contour. But okay, we got that. And I got the Nars. This was my choice. I don't have Nars products, so I wanted to try this out. This is the Nars Power Mate Lip Pigment. I know I've heard a lot of people say they don't like this since I had made it my choice. This retails for $26. This is in the color Call Me. It says potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. a powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel. Introduces infinite matte color, saturation with ultra flexibility, long-lasting wear. I can't remember what it was people were saying they don't like about this, but I know I have heard several people say they don't like it. That's what the applicator looks like. Oh, that is a pretty color though. I couldn't decide on the lip liner. Let's see, I'm gonna put a lip liner on and try that out. I gotta try it out since so many people are saying they don't like it. I really want to get a little tiny bit of lip fillers because lipstick is any type of lip product is one of my favorite beauty items, and I've always had really thin lips, and they seem to have gotten thinner as I've gotten older. And I really want to be able to wear all the cool lipsticks and stuff that look better on fuller lips. To me, anyway. That's what that looks like. I like it. It is dry. But most matte lipsticks are dry. I like the color. I don't know what it is that people don't like about it because I like it. Okay, so in my box I got the Nars lip, what's it called? Lip Pigment was $26. The Natasha Denona eye pencil was $18. The Living Proof Restore Instant Protection was $28. The Cocoa Contour was $44. And the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt was $49. Is that it? Oh yeah, and the $1 Billion Brow Brush was $30. So when you consider the box is $35, I always say if there's at least one item in the box that I would go out and buy myself, which I would buy this myself. I would definitely buy this myself. Would not buy the brush. I would buy the Natasha Denona and the Nars. I would not pay full price. I wouldn't pay $18 for the eye pencil. Well, I might pay $18 for the eye pencil. We'll see how it wears. Because $18 for a good eye pencil, if it's waterproof and it lasts all day, is not that bad. The Nars, no, I wouldn't pay $26 for a lip product when there's so many other lip products cheaper. But the palette costs more than the box. The Glow Recipe costs more than the box. The hair stuff costs almost as much as the box. So that's always the way I look at it. If if I can find one product in there that costs more than the box that I would purchase on my own, then I'm happy with the box, because the box is only $35. So, I mean, $35 is nothing compared to, I mean, the Glow Recipe was $49 retail price, and we know Glow Recipe is a really good brand. So I think this box is really worth it, even though this I don't really care for. I don't know, I can't think of anything that I would use this part for. This part might be okay for eyeshadow, but I don't really want a two-sided thing for eyeshadow, and I won't use this side, but maybe I'll come up with something for that side. I'm really disappointed in this, because some of the other brushes I found really weren't bad, but yeah, this is really not useful. Okay, so that is all I got in my premium box, and I really appreciate you watching. I'm going to do at least one more video tonight, doing the dose of colors. Several of y'all mentioned that you really liked it and were wanting to see it, so I'm going to do that. I don't have anything on my eyes, so I'm fixing to, except for I did put on the I forgot what I put on, the, oh, here it is, the Pretty Vulgar eye primer. I used it, and I'm fixing to, I went ahead and put it on so it could be dry by the time I get ready to do this. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Please click the thumbs up button for me, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. If you have, you have no idea what it means to me to have you here as part of the family here. This is something I have wanted to do for years, and I have met some really great people that I now call my friends, and it really means so much to me. Thank you very much for watching and supporting me on this journey. And I'm trying to watch everyone and support you on your journey if you've got a channel also. So thank you very much for watching, and I will be right back.